So students, I am back with where yesterday I left. We have new sum here. I said you to leave two questions, that is 4u square plus u, the fourth one and the fifth one. So I'll try to solve it out for you. Here, as you can see, that there are no three digits, right? Three terms are not there. If you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c, then the term c is missing. Here you have to consider u as the variable, as here x is the variable. So in this case c is not there. So how to solve this kind of sums? So again I will write the question, 4u square plus 8u. Now you can see there is something common between these two terms, that is 4u. So it will give you u plus 2. So you got two zeros here directly, nothing to do, nothing splitting middle term or something like that. So out of these two roots you will get two zeros. 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 equal to 0. So get u is equal to 0 or you get u is equal to minus 2. So this becomes your alpha and this becomes your beta. Now you can verify the same result, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. In this case, a will be equal to 4, b will be equal to 8 and c is equal to 0. As the term c is not here, so it will be taken as 0. If I talk about the next question, the fifth one, that is t square minus 15. So there are two ways to solve this, but I will go for an easier method today, as making you understand the next one will be difficult for me. So let's do it. T square minus 15 is equal to 0, t square is equal to 15, t is equal to plus or minus 15. So we get t is equal to plus root 15 or we get t is equal to minus root 15. Now why this plus and minus? Because I'll give you an example. 2 square is also 4 and minus 2 square is also 4. So you can understand why I have kept plus minus over here. So we get two terms, two zeros. Alpha is equal to plus root 15 and beta is equal to minus root 15. Again we can go for verification part. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. If you face any problem in verifying this, this or this, you can message me or talk to me. I will send you by solving the message, by solving it again. Thank you. As I said you that we will be completing question number 2 also. Here is question number 2. As you all can read, the question reads, find the quadratic polynomial, each with the given numbers as the sum and the product of its zeros respectively. See, there is a difference between the first question and the second one. In the first question, the quadratic polynomials were given to us and we were to find the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. Here, we are given the relations, the sum and the product are already been given to us and we have to find a quadratic polynomial. So, when we read this question, our first given part should be alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4 and alpha beta is equal to minus 1. As in question, the first number is 1 by 4 and the second number is minus 1. Here first is sum and then the product. So we have to take first as sum, then the second number as the product. So when we go through in this way, so this is what we are given with. So we have to write the polynomial now. There is a direct formula to write it. Polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to x square minus, now alpha plus beta is 1 by 4x plus alpha into beta is minus 1. So that is equal to x square minus 1 by 4x minus 1. You can leave it till here. There will be no cutting of marks in any case, but if you want to further solve it, the answer will be this, and I think in your book this answer is given. If you write it till here, it is perfectly okay, don't worry. So rest 6 questions are given to you. The first bit is alpha plus beta, another is alpha into beta, again alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. In this way you can simply put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the equation or in the formula which I used, that is E of x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. In this way you can get your polynomial. If any question you face any problem, you are not getting your answer, message me, I will solve it out and send it to you, or you can get it through net anywhere also. Thank you. Good afternoon, students. See, this makes very essential to explain you that when in this quarantine time, it makes your responsibility that you don't lie your parents and don't misuse mobile phones and internet for any other purposes except studies. Parents are very innocent and they are very helpful, and please don't make any kind of misuse of their of the liberty they give you. One more most important thing I should say here is start writing FNB of science of chapter 6, 7 and 8, because when the school will open, these 3 chapters will be first taken by science teacher. Chapter 6, 7 and 8, it is given in your Eschant biology part. You can simply write down the question answers at list, so that your writing, most of the writing part can be completed in this vacation or in this quarantine time. Don't do it with maths, because maths you have to understand it first and then we will solve it. Lastly, it is again my earnest request to you all to try to solve division of polynomials by long division method from class 9. R.D. Sharma, it's good if you practice it from R.D. Sharma, because many questions are given. Because next exercise 2.3, is based on those numericals. Thank you.